In this tutorial, I want to show you how to make front post extended stitches in Tunisian crochet, which are normally used in Tunisian crochet mosaic. And you can see them here on this big swatch. These stitches are the front post extended stitches. These are the easiest ones that you will be able to make in most mosaic patterns, and they are usually represented in my patterns with a downward arrow. We work them in the second row below the current row, and you normally in Tunisian crochet mosaic have one row in one color, one row in the other color, so you always work in the row with the color that you're working with. To make a front post extended stitch, you insert the hook behind the two vertical bars of the stitch below, and then draw up a loop and chain one. This creates a slightly taller stitch that covers the stitch behind it, which we will skip. You can also make these one after the other. So let's try that again. Insert the hook behind the two vertical bars, pick up a loop and chain one. Next stitch, insert the hook behind the two vertical bars, pick up a loop, chain one. At the end of the row, as always, insert the hook behind the two vertical bars, pick up a loop, chain one, and then yarn over, pull through two. These front post extended stitches create a tight fabric that you should not be able to see the other row through. In mosaic, you switch colors at the end of the return pass. Before you do the last yarn over, pull through two, switch the color, and I will make just a row of simple stitches to show you how the compact fabric looks like when a second row is created above. Now you can see that this part here is completely covered. There is no more white showing through. The white shows through here, but not here at all. So that's the extended front post stitch.